Let's solve this together. It says x squared minus y squared is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 2. We're required to find the value of x plus y. Okay. Now, first things first, we can say from here that if we call this equation 1 and call this equation 2, we say equation 1 squared will be equal to x minus y x squared minus y squared all squared to be equal to 4 squared. X squared is x to the power 4 minus 2 times x squared times y squared is minus 2x squared y squared plus y to the power 4 is equal to 16. From here we have x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, now this is x squared y squared can be expressed as xy all squared is equal to 16. Alright, from the laws of indices. From here we have x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 minus 2 times xy is 2, so 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so we have minus 8 is equal to 16. From here we have x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 is equal to 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay, let's call this equation 3. Alright, beautiful. Now moving on from here, we have, if we have x plus y all squared, we know it's equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Similarly, when we have x raised to the power 2 plus y raised to the power 2, all raised to the power 2 is equal to x raised to the power 4 plus 2x squared y squared plus y raised to the power 4. Alright, and this becomes equal to x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 plus, sorry, this is y raised to the power 4 here, plus 2 into x, y, all raised to the power 2. Okay, now recall that x raised to the power 4 plus y raised to the power 4 from equation 3 is 24, so we have 24 plus xy is 2, so we have 2 squared 4 times 2 is 8, so we have plus 8 is equal to x squared plus y squared all squared. 24 plus 8 is 32, so we have 32 is this. Now 32 on the other hand can be re-expressed as 16 times 2. Okay, so we have that x squared plus y squared all squared is 16 times 2. Alright, so moving on from here, we're going to have, taking the square roots of both sides, we have square and square root striking out, so we have x squared plus y squared to be equal to, square root of 16 is 4, so we have 4, and square root of 2 is root 2. Okay, just like this. Now let me show you something quickly. So we have x squared plus y squared. Let's say that we have x plus y all squared, for example. It's equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. This becomes equal to x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Hence, we can say that x squared plus y squared from here will become equal to x plus y all squared minus 2xy. Okay, so invariably we can say, let's replace x squared plus y squared with this in equation 4. Alright, so we can have that x squared plus y squared, okay, becomes equal to x plus y all squared minus 2xy, and this is equal to 4 root 2. Alright, from here we can say that our x plus y all squared minus 2xy is something as 2 times 2, which is 4, is equal to 4 root 2. From here, this becomes x plus y all squared to be equal to 4 plus 4 root 2. Okay, hence our x plus y now becomes equal to square root of 4 plus 4 root 2. Okay, and our x plus y now can be simplified further as square root of 4 into 1 plus root 2. Okay, and this is equal to 2 times square root of 1 plus root 2. So this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.